watching this video, you probably have a sweet pair of Bluetooth headphones. And everyone's favorite on-the-go console, the Nintendo Switch. If I'm right, you're probably even wishing they'd work together. This is Genki, and it's about to make that wish come true. Genki simply brings Bluetooth audio to the Nintendo Switch. Not convinced? Let me give you 3 more reasons. First off, it's designed just for the Switch. Check out how it works. And just like that, you've got an upgraded Nintendo Switch. Press a button and you're listening to the sweet tunes of Mario on your favorite Bluetooth headphones. Whether you're just chilling at home, playing Moblins, or making your daily commute through New Donk City, or even just killing time at work jumping between barrels. Hey, we won't judge. It's even designed to look like your Joy-Cons, so you know it's good quality. Secondly, Genki lets you pair up to 2 headsets so you can share the fun. Just pair a second headphone like you did with the first. And you can throw banana peels at that friend you've been secretly checking out. Or play another round of tennis with that colleague whose name you always seem to forget. And finally, even defeat that hairy Canadian with the Pro Controller. And third, we put some serious tech for you to geek out on. Check out this sweet rendering our designer made. Genki uses very low power through the USB-C port without ever needing a charge. The latest Bluetooth is compatible with all your audio devices at a range further than you'll ever need. We've licensed the best audio codecs so you won't have to ever worry about lag. You can even pair a better speaker, so go ahead. You can continue playing late into the night without disturbing others at home. Or not. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of the video. We've got everything in place for production, and we need your support to get to the next stage. We put together some pledge options below, and with that, we should be able to get Genki into your Nintendo Switch by the end of summer. Thank you for your support.